The most common reason your iPhone 17 Pro doesn't show up on AirDrop is that the receiving option is set to Receiving Off, which completely hides your device from others. AirDrop won't work unless your phone is discoverable, so turning this feature back on usually fixes the problem right away. Other possible causes include having AirDrop set to Contacts Only while the sender isn't saved in your contacts, limiting visibility. In this video, you'll learn 5 quick fixes to make your iPhone 17 Pro visible on AirDrop again. So follow along and you'll be back to sharing photos, files, and documents in seconds. The first thing you need to do is check if AirDrop receiving is turned off. This is the most common reason your iPhone doesn't appear to others. To check on that, open Control Center, then tap and hold the Wi-Fi panel. Tap AirDrop, then select Contacts Only or Everyone for 10 minutes to make your phone discoverable. If Contacts Only is selected, make sure the other person is listed as one of your contacts, as AirDrop may not work otherwise. To temporarily work around this, go back to the AirDrop settings screen, then choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make your iPhone visible to all nearby devices temporarily. The third fix is to make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on, as AirDrop relies on them to detect nearby devices. To do this, open Settings, then tap Wi-Fi. Ensure it's enabled, then go back and tap Bluetooth and make sure it's also turned on. If the problem persists, restart your iPhone to refresh all connections. Swipe down from the top right corner, then tap the power icon. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side key until you see the Apple logo. Finally, if none of these work, try resetting your network settings. This will restore all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and AirDrop configurations to their default state. To do this, open Settings, then tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Confirm your choice and test AirDrop again. These steps should be enough to make your iPhone 17 Pro visible on AirDrop. But if the issue keeps happening, you can contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center for help. If this video helped you fix AirDrop on your iPhone 17 Pro, please give it a like or watch another video to learn more tips for sharing files seamlessly.